You're looking for the best audio and video experience in your personal computer? I have something for you. HUAWEI is the way to go. We do have a power brick and a very nice packaging. The charging brick is 65 watt. On the side we do have USB Type-C, USB Type-A, HDMI, headphone jack, and USB Type-A. At the bottom, a lot of cooling. The hinge itself is tight, with a beautiful screen, fingerprint sensor, which is very quick, quiet keyboard, 3 fingers. The device itself is powered by Intel Core 9 with 1 TB of storage. Maximum fan noise. With the HDMI on the side, you can connect external screen or even TV. Viewing angles. Sound is fully blasting and you can see everything, literally everything. Wow, there's no reflections at all. At all. With a screen on maximum brightness, the battery shows 5 hours 20 minutes for this 96%, which is very impressive. A little benchmark for you, 16,000 points, almost 17,000 in a Geekbench. If we go a little bit lower, we do have Windows 11 Home Edition, i9, 14 cores, 20 threads, DDR4, and of course 1 TB of storage, which is exceptionally fast. If I put it a little bit closer, as you can see, we do have write speeds almost at the 6 and read 6.4, which is one of the fastest internal memory I've seen ever in any mobile devices. You can play your favorite game like Cyberpunk nicely. Wow, that's very nice. Huh. We can easily edit 4K videos, so if you want that video to be uploaded in 4K, 60 frames per second. Okay, it's getting quick. It is getting quick. 1 minute. Now that is impressive. It's not until you fall that you fly. Internal speakers.
Inside my head, I say I'm not okay, I'm terrified. When I go to sleep, when I close my eyes, what the hell am I supposed to do? Oh my God, I can't breathe, and I don't know what angels come and they leave to the midnight sky.
If you also have a HUAWEI smartphone, there's a HUAWEI Share, so you all need to do is place your smartphone there and share files very quickly, wirelessly. We do have AI camera, so you can place a like special background on the back. There you go. AI. All kinds of backgrounds. You can blur the image or whatever without it. That is also a case. There's also a beauty mode. You can see it was enable, and it should face me in the middle. See, it's zooming in and it'll brighten up the image. What did we learn? And we learned that it's light, very easy to use, extremely fast with a fingerprint, beautiful screen, a bright screen, huge battery, and just comfortable. And if you are looking for the best performance with a very lightweight on Windows, this is it. Huawei 2024 is the way to go. Link in the description. See you next video. Bye.